Have you ever caught yourself thinking, what if I had bought Bitcoin when no one believed in it? Or, what if I had invested in Ethereum when it was just a few dollars? The truth is, everyone has had these thoughts. Now imagine if today you had the chance to identify the next big opportunities, but this time, before they explode. Would you take action? Or would you once again watch the transformation happen from the sidelines? Today, I'm going to reveal 5 hidden cryptocurrencies that have real potential to multiply investments in 2025. We were not talking about random bets, but solid, innovative projects that show clear signs of growth, yet for now are still off most people's radars. But pay close attention. These opportunities won't stay hidden forever. Those who act early could be among the next big winners in this market. Think with me, how many people have missed the chance to change their lives simply because they waited for validation, because they needed the media, friends, or influencers to confirm it was the right time? Most of the greatest success stories in crypto, and in the investment world in general, share one critical element: anticipation. People who truly made a fortune with crypto bought when the market seemed uninteresting, when prices were low, and when news was mostly negative. They didn't follow the herd, they acted strategically and intelligently. And today, you're facing the same opportunity to see beyond what most people can currently see. But why 2025? Why now? The answer lies within the crypto market's very own cycles. In simple terms, Bitcoin undergoes an event called the halving every 4 years. This event cuts the reward for miners in half, reducing the supply of new Bitcoins on the market. Historically, the halving is followed by a strong rise in Bitcoin's price, and shortly after, an explosive rise in altcoins. The next Bitcoin halving is expected in 2024. That means 2025 is set to be the most explosive year for the crypto market since 2021. And if history repeats itself, like it did in 2013, 2017, and 2021, those who position themselves now could see extraordinary returns. But make no mistake, not every altcoin will skyrocket. In fact, most will remain insignificant or disappear. The secret is identifying the right projects, those with solid technology, real growing adoption, and competent teams behind them. And that's exactly why I've prepared this list for you today. Before we reveal these cryptocurrencies, let me share something important. The biggest profits in crypto don't come from buying what is already booming. They come from positioning yourself before the majority notices. That's how big investment funds operate. While many were fearful in 2022 and 2023, institutional funds were quietly accumulating altcoins. If you check reports from Grayscale, Pantera Capital, and other market giants, you'll see they increased their positions in alternative assets while retail investors were selling. That's no coincidence, it's strategy. They understand that wealth is built during times of doubt, not when everything is already glowing on the news headlines. And today, you'll discover 5 projects that are still undervalued. Some of them are weaving strategic partnerships with big companies behind the scenes. Others are building revolutionary technologies that could change how we interact with blockchain in everyday life. So get your notepad ready or open your phone's Notes app, because the first opportunity I'm about to share might seriously surprise you. The first hidden crypto on our list is a project silently working on interoperability solutions between different blockchains. In other words, while most cryptocurrencies are still struggling to communicate only within their own ecosystems, this project is building bridges connecting multiple networks, something essential for the future of crypto. Think about the traditional financial market. A bank that can't communicate with another bank would be useless, right? In the crypto world, interoperability will become one of the biggest themes in the coming years as global adoption grows, and this specific project is positioned exactly within that trend. Moreover, the development team consists of former Ethereum Foundation and Polkadot engineers, 2 of the greatest references in blockchain innovation. It's still a small project in terms of market capitalization, but has strategic partnerships being quietly formed. If the crypto market indeed moves toward massive blockchain integration, this project could multiply its current value several times. Speaking of future trends, the second hidden crypto on our list is betting on something many still underestimate: Layer 2 Scalability Solutions. While everyone's eyes are on Bitcoin and Ethereum, this project has been quietly developing solutions to improve speed and reduce transaction fees on the largest blockchains. If you've ever tried using Ethereum during high-demand periods, you know how expensive and slow transactions can get. The demand for Layer 2 solutions will explode as more users enter the crypto market in the coming years. And this crypto already has successful use cases, partnerships with major exchanges, and stress test results that prove its efficiency. The potential here is immense. Think about it. If Ethereum skyrocketed in value by introducing smart contracts to blockchain, imagine what could happen with projects enabling the next generation of decentralized applications, faster, cheaper, and more secure. And if you think that's interesting, just wait until you meet the third opportunity on our list. It's a crypto project focused on DeFi solutions, but with a critical difference: native integration with the traditional banking system. That's right. While most DeFi projects are trapped solely within the crypto world, this one is building real bridges to traditional finance, making it easier for large institutional investors to access decentralized ecosystems. They already have partnerships with mid-sized European banks and recently announced a pilot integration with a global payment system. It's still a small project, but with an ambitious plan and consistent execution. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but what about security? Great question. This project has also heavily focused on code auditing, ensuring safety for large capital movements, which is a basic requirement for institutional adoption. If this integration between DeFi and traditional finance gains traction in 2025, as many analysts believe, this asset could appreciate aggressively. Speaking of revolutions, the fourth crypto on our list is betting on an even bolder trend: the rise of artificial intelligence applied to blockchain. That's right. This project merges two of the most disruptive technologies of today, AI and blockchain. The idea is simple yet powerful. Use AI to optimize processes, enhance network security, and even automate DAO governance. With the rapid advance of AI, its integration into blockchain environments is only a matter of time. And this project is already light years ahead, with practical solutions being tested in corporate environments. Major tech companies have already shown interest in the solutions this project is developing. It's still early for the mainstream media to notice the magnitude of this, but those who can spot this trend now may be facing one of the biggest wealth-building opportunities of the decade. And to wrap it up, the fifth crypto I want to introduce to you may be the most underestimated of all. A project focused on the revival of the NFT and metaverse markets, but with a crucial difference: real-world utility. While many NFT projects got lost in pure speculation, this one has built a functional ecosystem where digital assets have practical applications in gaming, educational platforms, and immersive experiences. They are forming partnerships with online education companies, game developers, and virtual event platforms. The NFT market will mature, and when it does, projects offering real value will stand out. And guess what? This project is already way ahead in this race. Less than 1% of crypto investors know this project today, but the numbers in user growth, partnerships, and platform adoption are clear signals that this story is about to change dramatically. Now let me ask you, do you want to watch this transformation from the sidelines or be a part of it? Today you learned about 5 projects with real potential to explode in 2025. Today you understood why timing is everything in the crypto market. Today you saw that those who anticipate reap the biggest rewards. The next move is in your hands. If this video helped you in any way, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because in the coming days, I'll be bringing even deeper analysis on each of these projects, plus uncovering new opportunities that could completely change your financial future. And if you know someone who still doubts the power of anticipation, share this video with them. Let's build a new generation of conscious, prepared, and victorious investors together. I'll see you in the next video.